Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to redeem Smith's Fuel Points. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, I've created a Google Doc here on how to do this. So, redeeming Smith's Fuel Points is a very simple process. Smith's Fuel Points are typically earned through purchases made at Smith's grocery stores and can be redeemed for discounts on fuel at participating gas stations. So here's a step-by-step guide of how to redeem your Smith fuel points. So the first step here is you need to earn fuel points. So shop at Smith's and earn 1 fuel point for every $1 you spend. Additional points can be earned through special promotions, purchasing gift cards, or filling prescriptions at Smith's pharmacies. Then from there, just track your points. So check your fuel points balance on your Smith receipt. You can also track your points through the Smith app or by logging into your Smith's online account. And then from there, locate participating gas stations. And Smith fuel points can typically be redeemed at Smith's fuel centers and participating Shell stations. And use the Smith app or website to find participating gas stations near you. And then when you arrive to the participating gas station, insert your Smith's reward card or enter your ID phone number at the pump. Follow the prompts on screen to apply your fuel points. The system will display the available discount based on your points balance. For example, 100 points equals 10 cents off per gallon, 200 points, 20 cents off per gallon, etc. Select the discount you want to apply and proceed to fuel your vehicle. And now, if the gas station requires you to prepay inside, inform the attendant that you want to use your Smith fuel points. Provide your Smith's reward card or your ID if you've forgotten your card. The attendant will apply the discount to your purchase before you pay. And also, keep in mind that fuel points typically expire at the end of the month following the next month in which they were earned. For example, points earned in January will expire at the end of February, so please take note of that. You don't want to lose your points. And also, always review the terms and conditions.